In this video, you are going to see how to change the table border color in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert the table, go to Insert, go to Table, and let us select a 4x4 table. But here you will see this is not looking good. Now go to Shading and make it No Fill. And go to Border and apply all border. Go to this pen color, choose the color of your choice. Let us choose this color. Then you can change the border style from here. This is looking perfect for me, and you can change the border thickness from here. Let me choose 3 point. Now just click on the border and here you will see the magic. The border color has been changed. If you want to change it again, select it and again click on the border, then the border color will be changed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.